Hey everybody. So we've been dealing with COVID for over a year now. And on Uber and Lyft, it says wear a mask or no ride. On my profile on Uber, which is the platform I was on, it says no mask, no car seats, no rides, no exceptions. Check out the video. This guy thought he was the exception.
Laughed and joked in the cab of his truck.
I'm sorry?
Enjoy it.
Just
Nope.
my brother and me.
Yeah, you gotta have a mask. You can't use the jacket.
No, I have like multiple. It's kind of here. I'm cold as hell. I got a mask, shirt, beanie over my
Yeah,
face.
but you have to have an actual face covering.
I have a face cover in it. I just don't want to. I'm very cold.
I didn't see it when you pulled it up. Can you show it to me?
Like, what you want me to do? Take it off? I literally have two. I have my shirt over my face. I got my robe over my mask.
I know, but I actually need to see the mask.
Look, man, I'm finna have to go back in. He talking about he need to see him.
Some parents just shouldn't have children like yours.
Mask. I don't even want to take this shit off. It's COVID-19 going on, so I'm finna go back in.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna turn around. Done. I ain't fucking with this. So, as you can see in the video, as the passenger walked up to my car, his jacket was covering his face. It was cold outside. It was about 20 degrees. So, I let him into the vehicle, and when I asked him for the name, he wasn't sure, and he was leaning over to look at my phone, so I actually put my hand over the name so he couldn't see it. And when he leaned over, you could see his jacket fall. There was no face mask. You out of your goddamn mind. And you could see how, he quickly pulled it up to cover up, hoping I wasn't going to see it. And, that's when I asked him to show me the mask, and he got pissed off, and, like again, you saw it in the video. You heard all the excuses and whatever. And then he was talking with his girlfriend on the phone, and he said, I'm not dealing with this. I'm going back in the house, and he got out of the car. So at that point, as I was turning around to leave, the phone rang. That was Uber or his girlfriend, and I wasn't about to even listen to what kind of shit she was going to have to say. So as I was turning around in the cul-de-sac, he literally walked up beside the car, and I had to stop, roll the window down, and he told me he was going into the house to get a face mask. And I said, okay, I'm just, turning around, and you can see him walk in the house and close the door. Oh, okay. I'm just going to turn around. Done. I ain't fucking with this. At that point, I just canceled the ride, hit no face mask, and I left. Unfortunately, I didn't wait the 5 minutes, so I didn't get paid, but I'm not getting played either. It's been over a year. It's on the apps. And it gets really frustrating when these self-entitled people think that they can get away with this kind of shit. I'm going to a funeral 2 days after this video airs, this coming Friday, and this will be the 8th funeral I've been to in a year. 5 of them were COVID related. So I'm not risking getting ill. I'm not risking getting, bringing it home to my family. And I sure as hell am not going to take an attitude, take a ride, and then get slammed with a 1-star rating because some idiot didn't want to follow the rules, and he's just going to, give me a shit rating because I put him in his place. So with that being said, I mean, this is a pretty quick video, but passengers, don't play games. If you don't want to wear a mask when you're with your friends or with your family or out in public or whatever, that's your prerogative. If don't put that on your rideshare driver. Man, that just ain't right. You may not give a shit. We do. We have rules to follow just like you do. You don't want to follow them? Kick rocks. You're going to walk. And it's not a game. So leave your comments below. Tell me if there's a different way I could have handled it, or if you'd have handled it in a different way. But again, I'll take the hit on not getting the cancellation fee any day over having this idiot give me a 1-star rating at the end of the ride just because he was going to be a jerk. And he already had an attitude. So with that being said, everybody, be safe, be professional, keep it real, drive on. Make sure your customers or your passengers have a face mask. And if there are situations like that, make them show it to you. You have that right. It is your car. It is in the terms of service, and it's on the app. So with that being said, until next time, I wish you all the best of health. I can't wait to see what the next video is about. See you later.